Boop, 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 boop. What's up YouTube, Hope Nickel Barbecue back with you again. Feels like it's been a month since I made a food video. It probably has been. Today, we've got our Weber Smokey Joe. I figured out the other day that the Weber pizza stone fits perfectly. It's actually almost the exact same diameter. So I thought, hey, let's see if we can make a pizza on the Smokey Joe. All right, we've got a lot of meat. We've got pepperoni, bacon, pancetta, Canadian bacon, sausage, smoked chicken, and ham. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys in close, show you how we put this all together in the fast forward mood. All right guys, we're back. I have a bad feeling that camera 2 didn't work right, so if it doesn't work right, you're seeing this now, I apologize, and I'll try to, hopefully you can see everything. All right guys, that's how we put it all together. It's a pretty meaty pizza. I've got the Smokey Joe sitting here at 425. I was able to do that by basically dumping in a whole load of charcoal and then pinching the bottom vent down to just about halfway. I put one of those oven thermometers in there for a while to make sure that it was staying temperature. All right, we'll get this on there. Basically, the instructions for the crust say 5 to 7 minutes on a stone, so we'll check it. Main thing is we don't want to burn the crust and we want to make sure the cheese melts. See you in a minute. All right guys, let's see how it did. All right, I'm gonna let this cool off, cut it, taste it, see it. All right guys, we're gonna get this cut up. It's raining, so fun. Oh, hear that crunch. You guys know me, I cut it in squares because that's the way pizza was cut where I grew up. All right, let's burn my mouth. All those different meats are amazing. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. You know, subscribe, hit the bell, whatever you guys want to do. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.